Alright guys, we are in Canning, Nova Scotia. That Crew 902 is heading out on a rip today. Well, three of us are here, me, Dilly, and we're at Cody's. We're just waiting on Blaze to show up. Got a late night text from him. I guess he was going a little hard last night, so we're still waiting on him. It's gonna be a wet ride, a lot of water down already. Pouring to see, this might be the monsoon run, but you know, we had a ride booked, we're getting out. We're not gonna worry about a little rain. So Dilly and Cody are just here in the shop, airing up some tires, putting a few things on that he got, so check out his channel to see that. I'm sure he'll post it. But yeah, we're just waiting on Blaze, and then we're gonna get into it. 1, 2, 3. No Blaze. Let's go anyway. All right, like I said, Blaze didn't make it. Went a little too hard last night. We're getting into her anyway. Look at that stance, man. Dilly with the new tires. Woo! Man, that machine's a beauty. Big green, let's go. We're missing a bike. Come on, Blaze. I ain't letting you live this one down, my man. Not a bad looking gang of bikes. Man, these are fucking bright. Alright, so I've never been riding out this way before. First time out in Canning. Alright, let's go. Alright, I don't know how good the GoPro footage is going to be in the rain, but that's the risk you take. We're getting out anyway. Got a ripper. So I think I might do a little more GoPro footage in this video. My last, I don't know, I'll say most of my videos are usually more of a vlog style, but I think I'll include more GoPro now, I think, especially where the GoPro is waterproof. My phone camera, well, kinda is, but the last run messed up my Face ID, so I don't know. Oh, that valley mud. That tire's flat. What's wrong with yours?
I'm down to 4 bars of gas. Oh, now it's up to half. Dylan, come up here and my friend said. Tell me how to pump. Oh, wait.
We got a double flat going on. The old Odie's holding up good. I mean, we haven't done anything yet. Dilly just put new tires on there yesterday, so leaking around the bead. Cody's trying to find a buddy with a tire shop to help us out. Slow start so far. The rain is kind of holding up, but we'll see.
Yeah, this one's leaking.
That side shut up.
I guess wheels are next on your shopping list.
Well, Dilly got the tires geared up, all four. Shout out to Tom, I think his name was. We're suiting up again. Somehow burned a quarter tank gas, didn't go anywhere. Maybe just from sitting. Linking up with another dude named Wide Open Canine. I don't know what we're gonna get in. Okay, Dylan's got air in the tires. The Outlander's got gas in the tanks. Let's try and do something. He's icy. My turn, I guess. Just need the cryptids, that's all. These cryptids are for sale, by the way. They go through there better than those. I'm just plugging that these are for sale on Marketplace. Yeah, that ice was thick. Canine going? I think so. Let her eat! I guess you didn't move quick enough.
I got tired of eating. The middle is the bog. The middle is over your head deep. And then that's just the outskirts of the bogs. Only the middle's the bog. There's never this much water here.
It looks hot.
I'm the only one with a winch, and I can go in the middle of that thing. Is he going in the middle?
I don't know. He's in the shallow spot. That's the shallow spot. GoPro batteries. I lost one in a hole. Yeah, man, we're here at Mercy's Bog. Boys just ripped through a couple times, but it is deeper than it's ever been according to them, so I'm gonna wuss out. I don't care. Shout out Not a True Green Monster, Wide Open Canine, Diesel Dilly, somewhere over there. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time.
Peace.